Alright friends, so test number one, we're going to be running over this power strip to see how tough it is. So, yeah, Tundra here, and let's see how well it holds up. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Well, let's see. It appears that this might have got pushed down a little bit, but we'll see if it still works or not here. Alright, let's go do some more tests. Okay, so this is supposed to be heat resistant too, so let's test some stuff out here, shall we? See how hot that flame is. It's hard to get a read on this flame here. 66 degrees, that's not right. Anyways, let's see if we can't maybe this, did that get smashed a little bit here? I don't know. We'll see about that. Come on. Well, fiddly-dee. Sorry about this, my friends. Alright, hang on a second. I'll be right back. Okay. Well, it didn't appear to melt it or anything like that. Left some soot on there, but as far as like catching on fire or melting, didn't seem to do that. Okay, well, I guess we'll do some water testing now. Okay, so the lamp still works. Each plug-in works. Even after getting run over by a Tundra. Alright, so don't try this at home, but we got the water test here. So lamp's still working. Let me go get that little probe. And here's a little voltage indicator. And it's not indicating any voltage at all. So nothing indicated that any lights or any power's going through there. So it appears to engage when the third prong goes in there. So seems to be fairly water resistant. I think the IPX rating is only 6 on this, but it still seems to be doing pretty good here. So all in all, it seems like a really sturdy, secure device here. So, one second here. Okay, so this little voltage tester here, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It says 12 volts. Let me get a better view for you. Okay, so there's a little screen readout there. It says 12 volts. Now, going over this tester here, and nothing, no reads at all. So seems fairly safe, my friends. It's got the three prongs. I don't think you can put just a 2-prong in there, like so this one with the wider side here and then a narrow. It won't let me put it in there. It's like protected. It puts up a barrier so you can't put stuff in there. I believe that's depressed when you put it in the 3-prong, so that's why I had to use an extension cord for that. But all in all, seems to be really rugged. Let's go on to the final review, my friends. Okay, my friends, as you can see, this thing's fairly rugged. I ran over it with my Tundra, as you could saw in the beginning there. It did look like it maybe made this side go out just a hair, but it's still functional and it's not like it's broken or anything. The flame didn't do anything to it. The water didn't do anything to it. This thing's I don't know, I could shoot it with my gun, I guess, but I don't think that's necessary. This thing's a pretty sturdy outlet. I mean, if you need a rugged outlet for maybe a little bit of outdoor work or something else, so you can have a it's going to be reliable. I think this is not a bad choice. This runs about $30 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. One of the drawbacks on this is it doesn't accept the 2-prong with one side. I'm not even sure what it's called, for lack of a better term, but not the 2 prongs of the outlet are the same size. One's a little bit fatter, like this side, you know, it's like a little bit bigger, but it only accepts the 3-prong with that. So not a huge deal, but if I were to say anything bad about this, it might be that. Yeah, it pretty much withstood every test I put it to, and with flying colors. The water test, I pretty much filled the thing up with water, and you saw I plugged it in, poured the water in the holes, and everything is working great. No, you have kids around or something, you're gonna stick things in the socket like they tend to do. This isn't gonna do anything to them, so that's pretty cool. You saw if I tested on my regular wall outlets, you got 12 volts running through there, so pretty handy little device here. It gives you pretty good spacing too if you have a bigger plug-in. It only has 3, but those 3 are gonna run rain, snow, hail, sleet, whatever's going on outside, running over with your truck, you know, it's still gonna work. So thanks for watching this product review and demonstration, my friends. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and if you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Everyone have a happy holidays. Take care. Bye-bye.